Welcome to Monophonic Lab. I think that this is a good chance to make an unboxing video from what I've ordered to Tube Town, since we have a lot of amps waiting for replacements. So come with me to see what's inside this magic box. Let's see. Okay, here we have some caps, some knobs, and some belt-on shields. We also have some push-pull potentiometers, because we have to replace them at some bases. Nothing very special. Bigger capacitor for the Sound City 120. Let's see what else. Oh, goods inside were in Netherlands. What's that? I don't know. Okay, seems like all the tubes are inside one box. Oh yeah. Let's see what we have here. Ooh. There's a big lot of tubes. These are the 6 KD88s or 6550s, because we have to retube an Ampere SBT2 Pro. Sorry. What we have here are 4 EL34s for the Marshall JCM 800, 2 6L6 from Tungsol this time instead of JJ for a Fender Bassman that you saw the video. And finally, we have here a Tungsol 12AX7 V1 special tube for a client that wants something better at the first stage of his amp, and a 6021 tube to replace the tubes of a Seymour Duncan pedal. But that's all. I think for me it is a very special order, and I hope you see where do we put these tubes in and these capacitors. I also wanted to say that the computer that I was using to edit my videos was destroyed a few days after the last one that I uploaded. So I haven't been able in these weeks to put any more videos on the YouTube channel. There have been some repairs that I will resume so that you can see what I've done. And as you can see, there's a lot of job coming in. I have already ordered a new computer, a very much powerful computer, and I will be faster editing my videos, so I will be able to put more videos with the repairs that I want to show you. So again, thanks very much for watching and stay tuned.